Creating a data flow diagram using Chatgpt or any AI involves a clear description of your system and a tool or method for visualizing the output. So here, all you have to do is provide a clear description of your system. For example, I'm creating an online bookstore system. It includes customers, a web interface, inventory database, and a payment gateway. But here I'm simply typing down, create me a DFD of inventory system. Since I do not have any topic available, but if you have a clear description available, then you will have to paste it in the chat box of the ChatGPT. Then all you have to do is ask for the plant UML code from the ChatGPT. Simply type down that you want the plant UML code of the same option you have given at the above. Then it will give you the plant UML. Simply copy it, and once you copy it, open the tools like draw.io, Lucidchart, or Canva DFD templates, or any other. Once you open it, tap on the plus icon, then tap on the advanced at the bottom, then tap on the plant UML. Simply I am using the draw.io because it is the easier version to make DFD. Then paste the code that ChatGPT has given and tap on the insert. Now, if this is not okay with you, and if you are not okay with the result, then you'll have to go back to the ChatGPT and make it more clear to them that what you want. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.